Hey, I want to show you what is actually inside the Unicorn Digital Marketing Assistant School so you can see the skills that you are going to learn and how you are going to walk away being able to say yes to tons of freelance marketing job opportunities. Now, the Unicorn Digital Marketing Assistant School is so much more than what I'm about to show you because there is a supported community, there's accountability, there's implementation and business building homework, and there's also job leads. But I wanted to talk to you and give you a little sneak peek test drive of what the content is, what the modules are, so you can see that A, it's not just a social media course, B, not a general VA course, and C, you're going to be able to take on the role of freelance marketing assistant because you're going to learn exactly the marketing tactics, strategies, and workflows that you will be doing for clients that clients expect you to know. Hey, I'm Emily Reagan. I am a fellow freelancer. I've been in this online space using my journalism and PR skills since 2009 when I became an accidental freelancer. And now I love to teach my overeducated, underemployed, very smart military spouses, stay-at-home moms, and professional women how to do this same work. It's so much more than being a marketing assistant. It's really about getting your foot in the door and leveling up as an entrepreneur inside somebody else's business. It's about gaining the confidence to think on your feet and apply different strategies inside your client's business because they're all very unique. So let me walk you through the Unicorn Digital Marketing Assistant School. The content is housed in Kajabi, which is a platform I'm going to teach you because a lot of your clients are going to use it too, or something similar. If you can learn Kajabi, you can learn all the others. And you'll log into Kajabi to watch your training modules. They drip out every week for 12 weeks. We also have implementation and catch-up weeks, so you don't have to feel behind. You'll log in and you'll get access to the course. Each week, we'll release a new module so we don't overwhelm you, but keep you at a steady pace. So by the end of the course, you are ready to take on clients. Some of you might be coming to the scene a little bit more experienced, a little bit more prepared and ready to take on the work. You can absolutely apply for the jobs, start paying back your investment, start working with paying clients as quick as you are able to. So first of all, we have our introduction module just to set the scene, to help you with some pricing and packaging. I want to help you with the mindset and really have the right attitude starting the school and understanding what you're getting into. Then we get into module 1, which is all about online business and the tasks you'll be doing. I want you to be empowered to be able to get in a client's business and understand where they are, what phase they're in, and what you need to do next. Because online business owners expect you to take the lead. This is a very powerful module that will really set you up for success. After you watch module 1, you are going to know whether this is the right role for you. So that's why our return policy, our money back guarantee, it ends with module 1. After module 1, you're going to be all in becoming a digital marketing assistant. And if for some reason you realize this is not the freelancer role you had in mind for yourself, you're unable to do it, this just isn't your cup of tea, this is when you have a refund period. After you watch module 1, you'll know. With each module, we have business building homework designed to get your business set up and moving forward so that you can take on clients. We'll be building some of the systems and the marketing assets in the back end. If you have some of these already built, you'll go back through them. And this is what most general VA courses cover, but this is not even our main focus. It is a component, but not the main one. Then module 2 comes. It's all about email marketing. There's so much work, so much pressure, so much work to be done when it comes to email marketing. And this is going to empower you to take over your clients' email, their weekly nurture newsletter. It sets you up to be able to take on the marketing promotions, the marketing campaigns, and the launches as well. We'll go over my very signature process of tagging and protecting new email subscribers within a funnel. You're going to learn all about the different types of sequences you can help your clients build. I'm going to walk you through the workflows of sending a weekly email and what's entailed to make sure that you have protected yourself, that you are making sure you and your client are in a good good battle rhythm working together. And you're going to get lots of templates, lots of help with this area. This is a great gateway to start. We're going to teach you how to report and track, and then we're going to do email walkthroughs so you can learn the tech. Now, if you're short on time, for each module, you can always watch lesson 1, the overview, and then you can come back to the more in-depth things as you're preparing to work with a client or before you're getting on a discovery call. You don't have to watch all of it because it's going to take time to really soak in your brain. And sometimes you just have to be in the process of implementing it. Like when you're ready to do tagging, when you're ready to take that on, it will make sense to come back and watch it again. It's kind of like reading a recipe. You scan it and then you come back and then you follow the step by step. The tech walkthroughs are designed for the same. Maybe you get a client who has active campaign. You're going to brush up on it when the time is right. After email marketing, we get into funnel building. You are going to finish this module being able to help with a landing page. You're going to know all about the Facebook Meta Pixels. You're going to be able to build lead magnet list building funnels. You're going to go above and beyond by understanding tracking links. And I even have a bonus for you about lead magnet graphic design. Now, I don't teach copywriting or graphic design, but I'm going to give you some pointers from my friend I know. And then we get into the funnel tech with ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Kajabi, so you can actually get in there and do the work and know step by step what to do. Then we get into module 4, which is about blogging and driving traffic organically using SEO. So this is a core task a lot of business owners who have an online presence do not have time for. And so you can quickly take this off their plate, make it part of your ongoing weekly DMA role. We're going to go over how I've organized blogs, how I've done it for years with my clients, and you're going to be able to step right up into this role. And we'll cover WordPress and working inside Elementor. And then we get into website updates, which kind of goes hand in hand with blogging. It's your way to get your foot in the door in a website, especially WordPress, without being completely overwhelmed and without being responsible for building it from scratch. A lot of clients need little tweaks. They need certain pages built, and they'll need funnels, they'll need landing pages, and you'll be able to easily take on the work and figure it out. We'll go through Elementor and Kajabi. Then in module 6, we cover social media. So you can be able to help your clients at a social media assistant level. And you'll be able to understand the strategy and help it connect to their business, know what they should be doing. This is not a social media manager course, but you are going to be able to step up and fit social media into the marketing strategy. We're going to concentrate on Facebook and Instagram inside UDMA. Over in my work group, my ongoing membership, we get into other types of social media over there. Then we get into affiliate marketing. There's 2 different sides to this spectrum, helping your clients make money as an affiliate and helping them create their own affiliate programs. We're going to cover both. It's really going to set you apart here. When you see opportunities to help your clients make money, whenever you can help your clients make money and make sales and bring in leads, you can charge more. So this is a great lesson for you and will help you step into the role of an affiliate manager. Then we're going to get into module 8, which is about your unicorn DMA business. We're going to go over all of the internal things that you need to do when it comes to pricing and how to market yourself. And this one's such a good lesson for you so you feel confident announcing your services and moving forward and booking those clients. We also have a brand new module that's not even on here yet. It's all about AI because part of your role as a marketing assistant is going to be up-leveling into a marketing manager and understanding how AI tools can speed up your workflows and how you can really bring that to your client's business and save them time and money It's going to be so amazing. That's coming. It will be released inside this next live session of the Unicorn Digital Marketing Assistant School. The cool thing is all of our alum are going to get access to that new module too. You have lifetime access as I update content, as I change up trainings, as I add more, you are going to get those changes too. There's not going to be a fee to get anything new. And then we also have live calls to help you with selling on discovery calls to help you step into confidence and be your high achieving self and showing your clients that you are capable of doing what they need help with, so you feel really good showing up for the discovery call. We have insight from a hiring marketing manager about how you reach out to clients with that initial outreach email. This isn't a cold DM. This is basically your cover letter that goes with your resume, in this case, your portfolio. And then we have a unique training with Ange Quinn all about UTMs, and she gives us her tracking sheet that's going to blow your clients out of the water. It's going to empower you to know which marketing campaign is effective, and you'll be able to track where every sale comes from, every lead. So really setting yourself up to be a marketing manager. The cool thing is, at the same time, you have a Facebook group where we're sharing jobs, we're doing weekly live calls, going over client situations, management, different topics when it comes to your business. We're covering it all. It's business in a box for the same amount that you would pay for 1 3-hour college credit course. The same as my German history, as my nutrition, as my geology classes, which play no factor into my working life right now. So you are getting a business in a box, you are getting handed the clients, and you are getting handed the ability to go out and make even more money for yourself, but also experience time freedom, job satisfaction, and all the perks of being an independent contractor when it comes to choosing your schedule, choosing your services, choosing your clients. All right, UDMA School is open for just a short while. I've helped over 350 men and women transform into unicorn digital marketing assistants. I know this is what business owners are looking when they want to hire. They need help with the ongoing marketing. They need someone who's actually knows what they're doing, who's stepping up as a leader in their business and taking initiative. And they want somebody who understands their business. And I can help set you up to offer the best services and to be successful in this business. So I hope you join us. Make sure that you enroll, that you get in with this live class so you can have the extra accountability, extra eyes on your business office review session with me. Thanks for joining me. And I'm here for all the questions. Just go to udmaschool.com to sign up. Again, go to udmaschool.com. Bye.